Hey, check this out. Check this out. Fat man, little coat. Fat man, little coat.
Tommy, stop it.
Fat
Come
man,
on, Tommy,
little
stop
coat.
it. Tommy, stop it.
Hey, check it out. Check it out. It's a commercial from our biggest competitor, Ray Zalinsky, John Ivey from AtlasIED.
America, if you need speakers, mic stands, sound masking, baffles, backcans, racks, amps, or IP endpoints, anything that can be tapped or tied into that audio system of yours, come see old John. Hey, you need a warranty? I've got some of the best warranties in the business. Heck, I've even got a platinum insurance protection
Dude,
plan
he's got
for your
funny
largest
hair.
critical alert systems. But with system solutions like these, you'll be using quality audio that's built to last. With over 750 products made right here in the United States, we keep over 300 Americans at work. We'll meet your TAA compliance, your BAA compliance, heck, we'll even meet your mother-in-law's compliance. Should there be instability in the economy, we got your back. We've got IP solutions and announcement control systems for education facilities, healthcare facilities, and large transportation hubs. We've got sound masking systems for workplace acoustics and background music and paging systems for restaurants and small businesses. And when you need a vessel to put all your system components in, we got racks too. And what I am most proud of is the quality systems I provide to the American and global integrator. I want your paging systems to help get the announcement out. I want your sound masking systems to ramp up seamlessly so you can minimize distractions and maximize privacy. And I want your kids to be safe when you take them to school.
Thanks.
Thank you, random kid. My name is Ivy, and I make technology for American audio guys because I'm an American audio guy, and that's whose business I care about.
Success with John Ivey, the audio buds king.
He seems nice.
I feel like the parking brake's on. Parking brake was on. I figured it out. You can smell the tire smoke.